Ready to feel small in the best way possible? Welcome to the Grand Canyon. Picture this, a vast expanse of rugged rock carved by the Colorado River over millions of years. The Grand Canyon stretches 277 miles long, up to 18 miles wide and over a mile deep. It's not just a sight, it's an experience. Imagine the sunrise painting the canyon walls in fiery reds and oranges, or the serenity of the star-filled night sky where every constellation feels within reach. From the South Rim's popular viewpoints to the North Rim's secluded trails, there's a sense of wonder at every turn. Whether you're hiking the Bright Angel Trail or rafting through the roaring rapids, the Grand Canyon offers adventures as grand as its name. So, nature lovers, pack your sense of awe and get ready to be humbled by one of Earth's greatest wonders. Because the Grand Canyon isn't just a destination, it's a reminder of the world's incredible beauty and power. Until next time, keep exploring.